So I have to make that pipe attached to that pipe, and well, here's how much room I have to work with. I feel like I got the hard part done. That was not easy.